How to share Amazon Prime account with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna look for a tutorial on how we can add our friends in Amazon Prime account. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're looking up how you can add up your friends in your Amazon Prime account, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. So in order to do that, you don't need the Amazon Prime account, but instead you can simply download the Amazon official one, the shopping one. You may just simply download the application and simply log in into your account. And after the login is done, you just need to head over to the app and simply log in into your account. And when you log in, you'll be able to see this home interface of your account. So you're going to look up for the option called account. At the bottom you can find home, account, and shopping and different options here. You're going to look up for the second option, that is account. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be able to find this option called your orders by again your account. Click on the third option that says your account, and when you click on it, when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find this option called manage your household. Just look up for that option called manage your household and click on it. And after clicking on it, you'll be finding this option called add adult, add a teen, and add a child. So when you scroll down a bit, you can find different terms and conditions like how you can add them. And after that, you'll be able to find this option called add an adult, add a teen, and add a child. So you're just going to simply click on it. After clicking on it, you'll need to enter their email and their name. After that, tap on continue and then go on with some verification process. After that, your friends should be added into that account. So that's how you basically add someone to your Amazon Prime account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.